recent surveys by Afrobarometer, Global Corruption Barometer, Ghana Integrity Initiative, etc., suggest a decline in public confidence in the judiciary. What specific reforms would you propose to restore trust in the judiciary?
Thank you, Chair.
Yes, Honorable Nominee.
Chair, when I was the Director of Judicial Training, we decided to make ethics a component of whatever training that we give, either to the judiciary, the judicial officers or staff. The reason is that when we are talking about corruption, we are talking about something which is bad, then we must make it a conscious effort to fight it. If you do not fight it, it will become endemic. And therefore, the most important thing is that we need to first and foremost conscientize ourselves about the effect of corruption. Then the second one, what do we do to curb it? We need education. We need training. Then one thing that people of Ghana that you don't do is that if a public officer, either me or any other person, demands money from you, you must report the person. You condone, you give it. Then when it comes to assessment, you say that you will not mention the name. Then say that the whole judiciary is corrupt. That is the problem, and it is about perception. And I can talk about personal experience as a director of the Judicial Training School. On one occasion, I was training, then somebody came to me to complain about somebody who was taking money from him. We made inquiries. I was the director of the Public Complaints Unit of the Judicial Service. We investigated. The person who allegedly took the money from that person entered the courtroom and bowed to the judge. The judge did not know him. Just to give it a semblance that he had given the money to the judge and was coming to bow to show that the person who is accompanying him is the person who gave out the money to him. But it was false. So these are some of the things that we do and we must stop. In most cases, if you listen to some of the TV discussions, social media, you know, instead of bolstering the faith of people in the judiciary, we are rather saying that the judiciary is corrupt. But if you ask for evidence, then we say it is perception. So the most important thing is that we must be bold. If we have physical evidence, we must use to substantiate. Otherwise, we shall be talking about perception, because any person who goes to court and loses, the person's position is that because he did not pay bribe, he or she has lost. But it is not the matter. The case is bad. So apart from training, we need to conscientize ourselves. Then the third antidote is that if a public officer corrupts himself, that person must be prosecuted. Thank you.